Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'm Danny, and today's video is going to be a review on the L'Oreal Paris Elvive Total Repair 5 Protein Recharge Leave-In Conditioner. Whew, that was a mouthful. And it comes in a 5.1 fluid ounces. It was $5.99 from Target. And it's a leave-in treatment for damaged hair. Now, a disclaimer, I did not buy the complete system. They want you to buy the shampoo, conditioner, and a leave-in conditioner. I just want to buy the leave-in conditioner just to see, because I already have enough different shampoos and conditioner that I'm trying out right now. I just didn't have a good leave-in. But it's supposed to instantly recharge your hair and fights the 5 signs of breakage. It's 97% less breakage, 450 degrees heat protectant. And it says hair made of protein, daily brushing, heat tools, and overworking can cause dryness and damage. Now, when I used this, it did make my hair feel very, very soft. It was moisturized for like 2 to 3 days, and my hair gets very dry very quickly. So I was surprised at how long it actually stayed moisturized. And after I washed it, I like put my hair around in a wrap because I do have like thick African American hair. So this is basically solely on my hair. And it was very creamy. It was kind of thick, but it wasn't too thick. The thing about it, it seems like in order to get a fair judgment off of it, you need to buy more than one bottle because it's only 5 ounces. And I have a big head, so this one little bottle is probably only going to last me 2 to 3 uses because I like to have everything over my hair. Like I have to have like enough on it that every strand is getting the same amount of protein and the same amount of product from the actual item. So that's just a disclaimer, because 5 ounces, to be honest, that's really not that much, especially for hair, especially if your hair is really long as well. So that's just something that you need to keep in mind when you're trying this out. Now, I didn't see many reviews on it, so I wanted to give it a try and give you my review on it. But it was recommended to me from someone at work. So yeah, and it says use for the total 5 repair system after using shampoo and conditioner. Apply a small amount to wet hair. Do not rinse, style as usual. And as I said before, I did not buy the shampoo and conditioner because I already have enough shampoos and conditioner. But it seemed to work pretty well from me just using it with my other shampoos and conditioners. I will come back and probably do an update video after I complete the entire bottle to see the difference and see how I actually feel about it long term. But this is like my initial review on it, and I do think it's pretty good. So I'm going to finish out the bottle and see how it actually is. So thank you guys for tuning into my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get a notification every time I upload a video. My social media is down below. I have 2 books, Football Wags 1 and 2 on Amazon Kindle for 99 cents. Kindle Unlimited, you get to read both parts for free. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, share this video. More product reviews are coming soon. Thank you guys for tuning in with me and sticking by my side. Thank you. Bye.